Where do content ideas really come from? For me, they start in a coffee shop. The quiet hum, the clink of mugs, the buzz of strangers around me. Somehow, it unlocks flow. I watch, I scribble, I listen, and ideas begin to breathe. Then there's Notion, my digital brain. Messy thought dumps prompt libraries, swipe files, it's all there. It's not just a tool, it's home base for every spark that could become something. And Pinterest? It's a mood board of dreams. Not just pretty pictures, but metaphors, moods, keywords, and angles. It turns ideas into feelings and feelings into stories. But maybe the best ideas? They come from you. Your comments, your DMs, your questions I hear more than once. They tell me exactly what's worth sharing. When I feel stuck, I move. Change rooms, take a walk. Flip the question. And suddenly the block cracks. So, where do I get my content ideas? I don't wait for inspiration. I create the space for it.